Our lesson to be discussed is all about the background facts of Claudius Ptolemy and his contribution to the astronomy. He born on 100 AD in Alexandria, Egypt. Claudius Ptolemy was a mathematician, astronomer, geographer, and music theorist who wrote about a dozen scientific treatises, three of which were of importance to later Byzantine, Islamic, and Western European science. He known for geocentric model, Ptolemy's word map, and Ptolemy's theorem. And he's the one who proposed a geocentric system of astronomy that was undisputed until the late Renaissance. He analyzed the reflection of light on flat and spherical mirror and its refraction when it crosses the surface between the two transparent media.
Hi guys, wanna know an interesting facts about Claudius Ptolemy? So, Ptolemy proposed a universe consisting of nested spheres containing the heavenly bodies. He incorrectly placed the Earth at the center of the universe. He correctly showed the stars as the bodies farthest from Earth. He incorrectly showed Mercury as planet closest to Earth. So when did Ptolemy make his discovery? He made astronomical observations from Alexandria in Egypt during the years AD 127 to 41. In fact, the first observation which we can date exactly was made by Ptolemy on 26th of March 127 years, while the last was made on 2nd of February 141 years.
The Almagest is an astronomical manual written about 150 AD by Ptolemy. It served as the basic guide for Islamic and European astronomers until about the beginning of the 17th century. The Almagest was a substantial, ambitious work. It studied how to predict the location of any heavenly bodies at any time from anywhere on Earth using Ptolemy's mathematical method of planet movements. The Tetrabiblos, also known in Greek as Potelismatica and Latin as Quadripartitum, a text on the philosophy and practice of astronomy in the 2nd century AD by the Alexandrian scholar Claudius Ptolemy. The Tetrabiblos offer a detailed explanation of the philosophical frameworks of astronomy, enabling its practitioner to answer critics on scientific as well as religion grounds. Also known by its Latin name as the Geographia, and the Cosmographia is a consider an atlas and a treatise on cartographia, compiling the geographical knowledge of the 2nd century Roman Empire. In the Geographia, he laid out a map of the Earth. Key to Ptolemy's Earth map was the Handley coordinates system for locating points on a round surface. He also compiled information from many important sources, providing long list of latitude and longitude for important locations.
So, what is Ptolemy's greatest achievement? His greatest achievement was a polymath of enormous repute with influences across the science. Ptolemy is identified varyingly as an astronomer, a mathematician, a geographer, a cartographer, which most notable accomplishments were in astronomy with this advancement of the theory of epicycles and as a geographer. Ptolemaic system. In Ptolemy's geocentric model of the universe, the sun, the moon, and each planet orbit is stationary Earth. For Greeks, heavenly bodies must move in the most perfect possible fashion. Hence, in perfect circles, in order to retain such motion and still explain the erratic apparent paths of the bodies, Ptolemy shifted the center of each body's orbit from Earth, accounting for the body's apogee and perigee, and added a second orbital motion to explain retrograde motion, the equant of the point from which each body shifts at equal angles along the different in equal times. The center of the different is midway between the equant and Earth.
So the main idea of the Ptolemaic system was that the planet Earth was the center of the universe, and all of the other planets, stars, and the sun revolved or circled around it. Theories about the universe, like Ptolemy's, that view the Earth as the center, are called geocentric.
Ptolemy's planet prediction. Idea 1. The eccentric. To place the center of an orbit at point slightly different from Earth's center. Proven the eccentric is at the center of the universe and the Earth is rather close. Idea number 2. Epicycles and different. The epicycles is a small orbit that travels around the different and allows the planet's distance from Earth. Ptolemy also said, if the Earth were flat from east to west, the stars would rise as soon for Westerners as for Orientals, which is false. Also, if the Earth were flat from north to south, and vice versa, the stars which were always visible to anyone would continue to be so wherever he went, which is false. But it seems flat to human sight because it is so extensive.
Because Ptolemy synthesized great knowledge of the known universe, his work enabled the astronomers to make accurate prediction of planetary position and solar and lunar eclipse, promoting acceptance of his view of the cosmos in Byzantine and Islamic worlds and throughout Europe for more than 1,400 years.